Hello friends, today we are going to have something special for you. You all have heard about animation. And if you are here in search of step-wise course and a teacher who would teach you animation, then it is the best place. In this course we will create a 3D animated movies only with phone. This is something next to impossible to create, as it is 3D cartoon movies with only using phone and completely free, not using the single penny of money. Things we are going to learn in this free course are character building and rigging, character animation, background making, VFX editing, voice editing, sound effects, color grading, transitions, exporting, publishing. You all have seen cartoon movies. These movies are made with computer with special devices, and minimum people used in making these movies need different artists. But you don't worry, we also create a short clip movie of 10 minutes with only phone. I will teach you every step from building character to animate it. Did you know that an animation of 60 to 90 seconds need at least 8 to 10 weeks? Let me tell you about our animation that we are soon going to create. There are many types of animations ranging from 2D, 3D, stop motion, traditional animations, spoofs, and many more. But the most wanted skill is 3D animations, which is very more harder than 2D one. You all have seen many movies such as Avatar Kids animated movies, which is made with VFXs and 3D animation. We will soon start with our animated movie in our first class of course.